everybody, I am back on where? Wait. What do you think, guys? It's a beautiful place. Well, I'll tell you the truth. Okay, let's sit down somewhere and talk about this. It's a serious problem. Hello everybody, it's me again. I wanted to talk to you about this. I was thinking from long time to make a travel log type vlogs, like traveling guide, kind of. So this is my first clip. I'm trying to make it a guide how to come to Cornwall, and in the Cornwall there is a small town like Truro. In the Truro there is Penmere. So this place is Penmere, and this is one of the Penmere beaches. Yeah, yesterday I went to Pendennis Castle. It was beautiful. You must have seen it yourself. So what I'm saying is, this was my childhood dream, to make some travel vlogs. I mean, travel places and then let other people know that this is a guide. I know YouTube is full of all this information, but I'm talking about myself, that this was my habit. So I've started doing it now. I can't do it alone because I need your help, okay? So if you guys could guide me, tell me which places are best to visit in UK, okay? And I will try my best to go to that place and make my clips there. I hope you have enjoyed watching my clip, and if you like it, do subscribe me. If you haven't subscribed me, then what are you waiting for? Come on, click on subscribe now. Like it, share it, do whatever you want to do, but do something, man, do something. So I hope to see you in my next clip. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.